one of the arguments that BJP leaders have said over the last 2 days is that losses have up to the tune of about 11,000 crores can be tackled with this fare hike, but losses will continue to be standing at nearly 19,000 crore plus. So does it mean that we should be prepared for more such shocks in the coming days?
Future things I cannot tell at this juncture, but somewhere when there was an exercise by my predecessor, the earlier governments, to tackle the losses that we are doing, and it is not implemented. Everything was calculated in the earlier budget and all that. So automatically, how they can come out now saying that this government is doing something wrong, which was prepared by them. They have consulted the Prime Minister. Today, who are all opposing this, they were all partners during the presentation of the budget. Nobody opened their mouth at that time. Now everybody is shouting, why politicalizing the railway? I would have kept quiet. I would have taken some time. I would have did it. But initial stage I took this harsh and hard step. The total interest of the country, that is the need of the hour. Railway, there can't be a separate railway for Karnataka, there cannot be a separate railway for Kashmir. Katra we are going to inaugurate by the end of this month, that stretch. So we can't, a man from here, Karnataka, Bangalore, he is going to Vaishnadevi in the same train. He is not, it is not KSRTC, it is not APRTC, it is not some other transport, it's a one. So we should think on the lines, nation as a unit, and we should see that in toto there should be progress. See, when we get down in Shanghai, you will see the bullet train and you will say China is like this. Whether a day will come for us to see that, yeah, Indian railway, so India. So that vision should be there. If I say that I am from Karnataka, of course, there should be a small 5% priority should be given my constituency. About 10% priority should be given to Karnataka. These are there because we represent that area and people will ask, voters will ask us. But in toto, instead of thinking on the lines of the whole country, you think of Karnataka, what will happen? So there should be a magnanimity while dealing the issues which concerns the nation. If I am a Chief Minister of Karnataka, I can think of Karnataka only. But I am the railway minister for the country.
Sir, you raise the issue of bullet trains. Is there an execution plan? Is it possible in this fiscal year?
No, all these things will appear in my budget. All these things will appear in my budget.
Sir, one of the problems that many people have said is that there are projects that have been pending for years together, more than 5 years, 7 years. Is there going to be a time-bound action plan and execution plan?
See, I will tell you, there are 5 lakh crore projects are ongoing projects are there. We are getting about 25,000 or 30,000 crore rupees for ongoing projects. You just calculate it. See, I had the meeting with the Southern Railway officers, General Manager and DRMs, and I had the Southwestern Railway DRM and General Managers. I had certain projects which requires, I am sorry to say this, which requires 45, 50 years for completion. What will happen to this country after 50 years? How many latest technologies, how many latest innovations that will come? Anybody thought of it? Somebody comes behind me, Sadananda Gowda ki Jai, yes, one project for me, 1,000 crore project. I will allot a token allotment of 10 crores or 25 crores. Is it serving the nation? Somewhere, not only myself, even media should think on these lines. Some debates are going on in the media. I do appreciate. I get so many things from. But they should think on their lines. 5 crore ongoing projects are there. If I prioritize and if I take certain projects which is ready to deliver, automatically tomorrow in the news, in the media, it will come so many things. So for that reason, I am decided not to go to the media. To only consider the extent I should go to the media. Otherwise, that also. And other things, I will come out with the budget and I will talk to you.
Is there something like a Sadananda Gowda factor we can expect in this budget? Is there like a focus area, cleanliness, service?
See, cleanliness, we have already taken that initiative. DRM has been asked to visit every DRM across the country. I called the meeting of the DRMs, I called the meeting of the general managers, and I had some harsh words, and I had some lovely words also with them, because I have to extract work from the officers. I said that visible things that should be shown to the people: cleanliness, with regard to the food, with regard to drinking water, with regard to the bed rolls. These are, it may be small things, but it will work out much. People need that today. So I said, my DRMs, you should visit one railway station every day and observe how cleanliness is going on. Take some new initiatives to go ahead with this. Yes, so many DRMs are doing it. I am getting a report.
Do you take the train at all? Do you take trains at all these days?
Earlier days I used to travel to Mangalore only by train when I was the MP. And after becoming the railway minister, so far I had no occasion, because I was busy with my activities so far. And for another 1 month it may be busy, but I would like to travel in small stretches. I want to visit the railway stations. I visited my office. All the chambers in Railway Bhavan I visited. Surprise visit was there. There was files were pending like this and that. I've seen it. So step by step I will do it. Knowing the things, by witnessing it practically, it will give more opinion with regard to the coming out of solutions.
But will Sadanand Gowda, the railway minister, at least take a short rail journey, maybe twice a year, once in 6 months?
100%. Not once in wherever. See, I have decided to tour across the country. Neighboring all the places, I want to tour by train only. Train only. That is also a special saloon will be fixed and all that. Somehow I want to come out of it. I don't know whether it is possible because of security and other things. But still I should try. I should spend some time in the second class, first AC, third AC. Then only I can come to know of all this. Otherwise I am getting a report. How reports are being given by our men, it is very well known to everybody. So I will try. I don't know to what extent I will succeed, but I will try my level best. Now telling so many things, and finally